are you? I'm in my beauty room. Today's a special day because I'm getting my vaccine. I've been waiting for this day ever since the pandemic, ever since we have lost so many lives senselessly to this virus. Today, I become safe, and I think again of my son, I think of my husband, I think of my parents, family, my friends, and I know that I have to do my part. I need to take this shot and be protected and protect others. So I am all dressed. I am wearing I Am Worth It, as you can see. Thank you so very much, Revlon. I love this. I put a little bit of makeup. Okay, a little bit more. And we are off. We are off, my darling. So let me get by. And let me get my makeup bag. Yes. We're going to walk there. And I'm just so excited. I want to go out again. I want to travel again. I haven't done that for so long, like so many of us. And that time has come. I know I would love to invite you to my humble home, but that is not today. I'm just so excited that I'm gonna go get my vaccination. So come along with. And we are off, my darlings, to get the first shot of vaccine. I can't wait to go out again. I can't wait to travel again. Like I said, it affected everything, and we lost so many lives. So many lives. My auntie passed away. My uncle passed away. A couple of my friends had it. People in the industry, beauty industry, I knew had it. It was tough. And they've worked so hard to get this vaccine. It's a shot at getting a better life, getting a life that we once had, not necessarily the same, but a new normal. And that I will take. I have a son to raise. I have a husband I love dearly. I cannot live without. So this is exciting. Yeah. Let me just watch crossing the road. This is London. Yes, wonderful. Oh, yeah. And that is it, guys. That is it. I am vaccinated. I've got my card here. And it wasn't painful. It was more of a jab, so to speak. I'm very proud of myself. He's wonderful. Hi. Wonderful, wonderful. So grateful, so appreciative. And you just feel grateful. You really do feel grateful. And take that shot. Take that shot and make a difference. Okay? I am with it. Hello, darlings. How are you? Happy Sunday, my darlings. So, yesterday I went to go and get my vaccination against coronavirus, and I just want to give you a quick update. Well, first and foremost, I vlogged everything, so I'm going to have it onto my YouTube channel today, tomorrow, because I have a self-tape that I have to do for my agent, because I'm auditioning for a commercial, and I got through the first and second and third stage, so they want me to do a self-tape. So I have to be busy with that today. But I wanted to let you know that no reaction. This is where I got it. No reaction. None. I feel really rested and fantastic. I don't have any headaches. No blurred vision. Nothing. Nothing. I woke up feeling quite fantastic. So I just wanted you guys to know that, yeah, for me, nothing. I feel absolutely good. So I'm going to have my bath now, and I thought, you know what, let me take this off because they put this on me yesterday. Oh, nothing. Spot of blood. And that's it. Absolutely nothing. So guys, go ahead and get vaccinated. Let's save lives. Let's move on with our lives. Let's travel. I want to see my mama. I want to see my dad. I want to go to New York, get some stuff done. I want to start with my brand. I want Adrian to go to nursery. He needs to go. He makes friends with everybody in the park. So let's get our lives going back, you know, to a new normal. I don't think it will ever be back what it was, but to a new normal. Okay? Happy Sunday, my darlings.